everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to do a quick little kit up of a small 20 by 20 painting that I have been curious to work on, and I kind of need a small one while I'm working on my larger painting. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. Oh, and if you can like and subscribe, I appreciate that as well. So I showed this storage container probably a couple days ago during one of my TEMU haul videos, actually my storage video, and I've been really wanting to try it because it's so small, and the painting I'm going to kit up is small as well, and I really love these little blue boxes. All I did was just put labels and I put them in numerical order, so when I pour the diamonds I know what order they are. And I do apologize if you're not familiar with the term. Kit up is just our diamond painting term to just store the diamonds so you can have them all organized when you start painting. And myself, I use the way they're numbered in the legend, so that's why they're always numbers for me. A lot of people use different styles. Some use the symbols, or some use the DMC code. Any style you want to work on. And the painting I'm doing is one I showed from a temuhaul video from probably a week ago, and this painting is the one that I'm still curious about because you can see there's a whole bunch of white in the background and a little bitty teacup in the middle. I really want to see how it's going to come out, whether the teacup's going to come out clearly or it's going to be really muddled up because of all of the white background. It's really was on my memory, so I really wanted to work on it, and perfect for a kit up. It has exactly 14 colors. I believe it was signed that this painting had to be kitted up. So just my standard tools, a tray just in case any diamonds spill, scissors to cut the pack. Sorry, I was going to say tear. That doesn't make sense. And I have the diamonds in numerical order, a little box to hold the trash, so when I open it I can just throw everything in there and I don't have it kind of flying around on my desk, which is more organized. So I love these little boxes because I don't need the funnel for it. I just have to pour them in and that's it. They're really wide and I'm a big fan of that. And I don't have to worry about anything kind of maybe spilling everywhere unless I just jinxed myself. And honestly, this painting as well, I'm testing a theory that, well, not a theory, a practice that I actually found. That the reason you'll probably have been noticing I haven't been doing a lot of kit up videos. See how nice that was? I've been having a lot of issues with static in the bags. So the diamonds have been kind of spilling, kind of going everywhere else other than where I need them to go when I pour them. So I actually saw from another diamond painter video. She saw that if you kind of poke a little hole in the bag, it handles with the static. And I checked all of the smaller paintings I had, and this painting I saw the diamonds were sticking inside the packets, so I figured, oh, there's static in it. So that's why I selected this painting as well to test the theory. And so far it looks like nothing's sticking, and I actually have been having a huge issue with them. That's why you haven't seen a lot of my recent paintings I'm working on. You haven't seen kit up videos. It's because the static was just so bad, and some of the videos would end up almost an hour and a half, and I really didn't want to put a video that long out. And you can kind of see the little hole like poked probably around here on top. I just got a thumbtack and just just poked the little pack, and I just put it aside, just let it rest a bit just to see if it made a difference. So far, I'm not seeing anything. And I did check everything before I made the little holes into the pack. So I really wanted to find one that had a lot of static, and this one did. So far, everything's looking fine. Oh my goodness, I really love these boxes. I've seen this storage container. Sometimes they're a little tough. I've seen one that has up to 60, but it's huge. The little storage holder box that holds all the small ones is really big. So I don't know if I'd invest in that one. I love the 60 storage boxes. That's usually what I use. I don't know. I have been tried with the larger one. And my other one I have is the smaller one as well. So I don't know. I'm still thinking about it because it's really big, and I'm really worried that I think it's more of my paranoia. Because I've dropped the other box that already has diamonds in it, and I haven't had any. Oh, well, there goes one. I know it's here in the corner until I smacked it a little harder. I'll find it. It fell on my floor. I'll find it right now. So that was the only little part, that little one diamond that had static. Not bad. A lot better than how it usually is for me. Apologies, as I was saying. What was I saying again? I'm not kidding. What was I saying again? I think it's something with my painting. Well, majority of the topic is I've just been having a lot of static. And that's why I stopped putting those KitUp videos because, as I said, they were more than an hour. And I really didn't want to put a video that long. Oh, there you go. I remember now. So, my previous one with the diamonds that has diamonds, it's my partial. And I'm almost done with it. Oops, sorry about that. That one was really tough. And I dropped the box really dramatically off of my desk. And I was so worried that if one of these tapped, the diamonds were going to spill all over in the container. But I was worried more than one would open. And it'd be mixed around. And that would be a whole other nightmare I'd have to handle. But luckily, they did not. And it was kind of a tall fall. So that's why I was really expecting these to just pop open. Diamonds everywhere, and look like confetti on a parade. But luckily it did not. So I am trusting these little boxes. So that's why I said I was thinking of the 60 count. Because if I do drop it, and it would be one of my larger paintings that would be kitted up. And if they opened, oh my goodness, that would be such a mess trying to organize. And I don't want to. Like I said, it's more of my paranoia thing. I don't believe it would actually happen, but I have such horrible luck that it would happen. So I don't know. I'm thinking about it, and plus I'll wait till Temu discounts it because they have so many lightning deals, and I want to see if they'll discount that 61. If I see it and I see that it's a really affordable price, I might pick it up, but I'm not too sure. I'll have to wait because I'm trying to see the last time I saw the price for one of those big ones. It was around $17, I believe. And I kind of want to discount it. 17, I mean, don't get me wrong. It's not that high, but it is well, it's a little bit high. It is. Well, for my budget, it is. So that's why I'll wait for a discount. And even better if it's a lightning deal, because some of the lightning deals are really, really, oh my goodness, they're really good, literally good deals. And some items that originally were actually my storage case that I showed in my storage Temu haul, I got it at $4. The regular price is $16. So to me, that is a really, really good deal. And that's because I caught that one on a lightning deal. So that's how I'll see if I can find one of those 60 ones in these little boxes. If I can get it for that price, whoo, I'll probably buy a couple. And it's because I really love how easy it is just to pour all the diamonds in here. I don't need anything else. I don't need a funnel. I don't need any kind of special kind of holder or anything. I just pour them in, cut them, pour them in, and that's the end of the story. And they do hold a lot. You'll see it in a moment. The last color is the white background. So it's 2 packets of 3865. Yeah, 3865. So I want to see how it's going to handle that many diamonds. And as I've said, one of the other times I've kitted up in this containers, it did have a lot of colors. And it held it up. It held them really well. I didn't have to worry about the box being kind of stretched a bit as the little joint. That it could just pop open if you tap it. But luckily I didn't have that problem with that one. So, whoops, that one flew away. And let's see if I can get those in there. Yeah, so far that little trick actually works. Huh. And I'll give shout out to the diamond painter. I got it from Diamond Painting Anonymous. That's the channel. She showed the little trick because she did a kit up of one of her paintings that she's about to start. And she said that she learned that putting that little hole in the bag takes away the static. And I saw the whole video. I love watching her videos and I love watching her kit up videos. And she did her whole kit up, no static at all. She didn't have an issue. And I thought, wow, that really did work. So, lo and behold, it actually does. Huh. Now I'm actually going to do a couple more kit up videos. Probably not going to work the paintings, but I'll do the videos. So another trick I saw from another diamond painting video is when they get these packets, and they have two colors or more that the same, just cut them once and then pour them all in. I've never done this, so this kind of makes me nervous. Oh, look at that. I'm learning new tricks today. And there you go. They were all out. As I said, 3065. That's the color. And lo and behold, little box holds them all. Oh, look at that. Honestly, this is the easiest kit up I've ever done. That is real neat. And they look so pretty in the box. As you can see, they kind of look like snow a bit. I like it. And that's it. I'm done. So I put all my little trash in here. I'm going to recycle them. I always recycle these little packets. And nothing fell out. Thank goodness. And yeah. And they're all kitted up. They said they're all in these little boxes. And you just close it. I can because I haven't used it. So it's a little kind of stiff. Oh, there we go. And voila. They are all in the box. Oh my goodness. This is so neat. I love these. You know what? I'll buy a 61 once I see it get on lightning deal, because these are so much easier to kit up, and I didn't have any spills or anything, so that little trick really did work. So thank you so much, Diamond Painting Anonymous. Thank you for showing that, because that is so going to help me out further down the line. And yeah, so just in case you want to see the painting again, I'll try to start on it as soon as I kind of want to break from my larger painting I'm working on. I'm still working on my Diamond Art Club Warm Witch, and I'm getting there. It's just, yeah, it's so much brown. And if I want to break and see, you know, where I'm going to do a little easier, it'll be this painting. And when I do, I'll show you all a progress video of this once I already start working on it. I think I'll put release paper because I kind of don't want to do the washi tape method, just to save time and I don't have to be cutting the plastic. So yeah, that's all I wanted to show today. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps my channel be put out there and allows me the opportunity to show everyone these wonderful tips, especially on kitting up your diamonds. And again, thank you for your time and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.